going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Losing Interest by Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will double backflip kick your lips off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song's pretty simple. It's in standard tuning and you're only using a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just another resource that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel and checking out the content. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there as well. So if you need those, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. Now, I'm in standard tuning. I'm pretty sure this song is played a half step down because there is an E minor note that happens that you can only play if the guitar is a half step down. I will show you the note that you can play instead. Like I said, I'm in standard tuning, and I want to show you guys how to play this because you can still play it without tuning your guitar down at all. The first chord is going to be a B flat minor, which is going to be 0, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. And then your next chord is going to be an F minor, which is a 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. And then an F sharp major, which is going to be 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's also very simple. It's just down, up, 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 down, up. And what I'm doing there is I'm just muting my strings in between each down up. You don't have to, but that's what they do in the song, and it sounds pretty cool. So. So what I was saying about the E minor chord is I'm pretty sure you play this twice and it just repeats, and on the second time I'm pretty sure it doesn't stay on the F sharp minor. I think in half step down you would go, these would all be moved down 1 fret, and then you would go, because you would be here, and then you would go, and the way that the chord is voiced in the song, I'm pretty sure he's a half step down playing it that way. You can honestly just play the B flat minor, F minor, and F sharp major just over and over and over again, and you would be fine. But if you do want that minor chord in there, the first time you play, it'll be B flat minor, F minor, F sharp major twice. Then it'll be B flat minor, F minor, and then you'll go up here to a D sharp minor, or a C flat minor, but it would be 0, nothing on the low E, 6, 8, 8, 7, 6. So what that would look like with a strumming pattern would be There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.